ओके आज का टॉपिक है बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज. So before I begin with configuration and end user part, let's understand the concept of bills of exchange. What is it? Let's understand this with an example. Um, we have passed a customer invoice to FB70 and due date is after 1 month. Let's say 24th of January 2025. Now this is our due date, so customer will be paying on this date. Now we want actually we want payment to be received before the due date. In that case, what will happen? Customer say no, the due date is 24th of Jan. I can't pay you before that, but I can issue an bill of exchange to you. What it will do? Customer will issue an BOE to the seller, and then we can take that BOE to the bank, and then bank will pay that amount to us. Let's say the invoice amount is 10,000. So bank will charge some commission for paying us for that POE. So for 10,000 bank is paying us 9k or 9,500 whatever it is. So then we gets the fund, and on due date customer will pay to the bank will get their payment. This is how BOE works. So how we are going to do this in the system? Let's begin with its configuration. First we have to do create its GLs. Again, this is a special condition. There will be special GL indicator. First we have to create its GL. BOE will be an asset because we are receiving payment from the customer. So it becomes our asset, and BOE same. It's our asset, and it will be treated as a reconciliation account. Customer BOE bills of exchange. Right. Save. Next GL that we going to create is contingent liability. Why? Let's take another scenario. We gave BOE to the bank and bank paid us for that amount. Now suppose customer gets defaulted and he is unable to make the payment to the bank. In that case, who is going to pay to the bank? Because bank, we have to eventually pay to the bank for that BOE. So in that case, if customer gets defaulted, we need to make payment to the bank. So in that case, so this becomes our contingent liability because this may be or this may not be. So this is a contingent liability and it will be created under current liabilities 204. Bank BOE. Then it will be treated as a clearing account. So check this mark. I don't want to select anything. How can I do this? Open item management 001. G001 post automatically. This should be removed actually. I don't know how can I remove this. Actually, let's create a new 204. If you know how can I remove it, let me know. Current liability, balance sheet, bank BOE, bank contingent liability, only balance, one item, line item display 001 G001, and then post automatically. This is our clearing account, and you know new thing here, sometimes in interview they can ask you what are the post automatically GL accounts. So this is one of the example, bank BOE or contingent liability account that we create like this. Next, bank commission. Because when we are giving BOE to the bank, then bank is charging certain amount, right? And who is going to bear it? Not the customer, we seller. We have to bear that cost. So it's our indirect expense 304 305. Spelling might be wrong. And save it. What did I take? Okay. Three zero five it is. So these are the three GLs that we required for bills of exchange. First is our customer BOE. Okay. Second is our bank commission for, and third is a contingent liability, that is bank BOE. Customer BOE, it is created as an reconciliation account. Now let's move to the configuration part of it. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, bank accounting, bills of exchange. Okay, how can you remember the path? BOE includes the bank because bank is paying us for that BOE, so comes under bank accounting, business transaction, bills of exchange transaction, receivable, and request. No. And go to present bill of exchange receivable at bank. I think first we have to go to this post bill of exchange receivable and define alternative reconciliation account. T code for the same, OBYN. This is our first step of configuration for BOE. So D represents customer. Here what we are doing, and again it is a special GL indicator. Why? Because it is a special condition. And bills of exchange receivable. Double click on W, select your chart of account. So what is my reconciliation account of customer? That we have to enter it here. It is sundry debtor. Now we have to enter special GL account for customer BOE. We need to map those accounts with each other. Customer BOE 104. Save it. Go back. Define accounts for next step is present bill of exchange receivable at bank and define bank sub accounts. T code is OBYK. New entry. Enter your chart of account, bank of account. Which bank account you are going to take it here? Tell me. Incoming. Why incoming? Because we are receiving funds. We are receiving funds from bank or issuing BOE. Usage, discounting because bank is charging some customer reconciliation account. And then our bank BOE, our contingent liability GL. Enter. Save. This is the configuration that we require for this. Just 2 steps. First one was define alternative reconciliation. Yeah, basically we have to map our GL, our assembly letter GL with the special GL that we just created. And next step is define bank sub accounts. The code OBY can. Let's go to its end user part now. For this we need to post an invoice first. LP 70. Sure. So company code. Let me check the company code. Okay, give me a minute. Customer was not created, so I've just created a customer. Now let's post an invoice. Take backdate invoice. One. Document date and posting date. Wait, man, I'm taking Singh. Where? Posting period is not open. Oh, I'll have to. Okay, financial year is 25 for this company code. I'll have to. Let's see. No amount tolerance range entered for company code. Due date is 45 days. Cash discount will be granted equal. Invoice is posted. Check FPL 5N. Select your customer. Bye. Okay. No, I must be making some mistake. Document not posted. I'm checking here. Okay, so this is the entry. Due date is 15 to 2025. Was 45 days payment down. Now I want to receive the payment. I need fund for some reason. I want to get it before 15 to 2025. Now BOE. Customer issues BOE to us. Okay. For this we need to enter this into the system. Okay, leave it here. Bill of exchange. Payment. That means address 36. That means receiving BOE from customer. Let's say we receive BOE 2 days before. Here need to select customer account, enter invoice, bill of exchange, due date. Due date was, what was it? It was 15 to due date. Amount is discounting. Process open item. Again, process open item. I am deselecting it because this is the discount that we have. Another kind of configuration we receive if we get the payment before the due date. But here we are doing for BOE. So deselect it for now. Click on document, simulate. That's going to our journal entry. Customer debit to customer, posting is 09W. This is how we differentiate. So first entry 09W, it's for our customer BOE. Posted. Now let's see its impact. Go to FPL 5M. Refresh it. It is cleared 70k against the BOE that we have received. Okay, so our customer is clear now. But this item still is open. Why? Because we are still liable to pay to the bank, and we need to receive the payment from the bank. So this entry will be cleared against that one. This is open item because we have to receive the payment from bank yet. When we receive it, then it will be cleared. Now to receive payment from bank, first we have passed an invoice, then we receive the BOE from the customer. Now we are going to receive our payment from the bank in exchange of BOE. For this, go to this F-33 discounting. These are the two reports, 36 and 33. Document date, let's say present date. Copy the document number from FPL 5M. It's bank account, again our incoming bank account. What else? Amount would be 70 is our invoice, so we are deducting 5k. For example, 65. Do not feel okay. Here we have to copy the document. Okay. And fiscal year 2025. Enter. Click on display document overview. Now there is no zero balance, there is still a difference of 5k. What is this 5k? It was the bank commission that they have charged. We need to make this entry here manually. Posting fee will be 40. Another line item. Select your GL for the bank commission. It is GL and special GL indicator as well. Or leave it actually. Enter star. Enter. Now the balance is 0. 3 line items. Incoming bank account debit. Bank commission debit to bank BOE. Right. And save this data. Now go back to this. Damn, this is very long. Refresh it. It is open. New session. Go to PL3M. Select your GL for customer and bank BOE. Okay, customer BOE, bank BOE. It is still open. Now we have to reverse the contingent liability. Why? Because on the due date, customer is going to pay to the bank, and then this item will be cleared. For this, we have to go to app 20. This is a 4th step. It's very long. I don't like it. I don't like this topic at all. Fine. App dash. It was 20. App dash 20. Now app dash 20. Where is it? Reverse contingent liability. Here it is. Take any future date. Let's take GL account is a customer BOE. Uses discounting. Click on edit line item. Enter. No due item exists at the key date. सेव कर दिया. Now go to FPL3 and all item clear. Damn. I understand this concept, and there were four steps like for the end user part only. First, we had to post an invoice, then we received the POE from customer, right? Then we received the payment from the bank, and then we cleared those items because it was still an open item BOE. Why? Because we checked marked open item management while clearing their GL. And why we did it? Because we this was in contingent liability GL, and we need to transfer that balance to another GL account. This was it about BRS. Even though I don't like this topic, I hope you were able to understand this.